everyone, welcome back to my channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great. So first of all, a big warm winter hug to all of you, my lovely viewers, my lovely friends. Since you are part of my family, so this year definitely I am going to share with you what things I do in Christmas time. Many of you have requested me to share my Christmas vlogs. So definitely from today I am going to start my Christmas related vlogs. So first of all, in today's vlog, I'll show you what decorative things, what basic things I got for Christmas decoration. And then in the second part, I'll show you how I decorate my room with these decorative items. So this will be today's vlog. So I hope you are going to enjoy that. So without wasting any time, now let's start the haul part. Thing that I want to show you, this absolutely gorgeous Christmas tree. Look at the color, it's so beautiful, so vibrant and gorgeous. So this is the thing I got from Rima. Just last day I got it. So I'm going to take out the cover and put it in the proper place. And then I got this Christmas tree. This is not a very big Christmas tree. This is 5 feet. So I think this is perfect. And also I'm going to decorate it with some items. And then I got these placemats which are again red in color. So yes, I absolutely love the red color. So this is also my favorite. Then I got this gorgeous red candle because red is the theme of this year Christmas. Okay. And now few decorative pieces. These balls I got for decoration of Christmas tree. Also I got this one. See? Some fairy lights to decorate the Christmas tree. Few more candles because I absolutely love to decorate my room with candles. So few candles are there. And also I got these to decorate my tree. One more fairy light. And these things I just got so attracted, so I got this to decorate the Christmas tree, or probably I'll put it in the bottom part of the tree. Let's see. So this is the thing. So these are the things also I got. A small cute shoe and these things. And this thing, this is a candle holder. So I'll put it on the top of the candle. So let's see. This candle actually I didn't buy. I got a gift. You have seen that party vlog. So my guest gifted this. So I'm going to put it like that. So that is one idea. And some more stuff are there. This is also one more small Christmas tree that I got. A Santa Claus. A Christmas bell. Then I got this beautiful looking gorgeous cushion. Just look at the color. It's super vibrant and super gorgeous. It was in black color and one was in blue too, but I picked the green one. Also I got this napkin holder. This is again in Santa Claus theme, so I absolutely loved it. I got this tissue paper. It was also in that store where I got all the Christmas decorations. So these are the things that I got. So now I'll start decorating my room. So please keep watching the vlog. So now let's start the decoration. First of all, I'm going to decorate the center table area. Since it's Christmas, so I picked this beautiful, bright, gorgeous colored cushion cover. And now I'm going to fold it nicely and beautifully I'm going to spread it on the top of the table. Here you can see I have picked this green colored bowl which is very glossy in look, and I'm going to place it in the middle of the cushion cover, and then in the center I'm going to put this candle which is again red in color, so red, green, red. Here you can see I have few paper flowers which are very colorful, so I'm gonna spread few of them in the bowl. They are pink, white and blue in color, so absolutely gorgeous looking. And at last I'm going to place these two small dish on both the sides, and lastly I'm going to put two candles there at the day of Christmas. So with all these candles and flowers and cushion cover, this area is looking super gorgeous. Here comes my idea number 2. Sofa is a very important part of our living room, and here I thought of having an extra cushion that can give a festive look of my sofa or my living room. So here you can see I have placed this beautiful yellow colored cushion in the middle, just because I'm gonna place this gorgeous looking cushion in the middle, and this cushion is definitely giving a very festive and Christmas look to my living room. And then I'm gonna spread this warm blanket in this side, and also one more blanket on the other side just beside of this blue cushion. So this is the Christmas festive warm look of my sitting area or my sofa area. Here comes my decoration idea 3. I think without having a Christmas plant, our Christmas decoration is not complete. So this is a very important part of the decoration. So I'm gonna place it in the middle of the window so that it can give a very warm and festive look to the whole area. Here comes my decoration idea 4. Since it's Christmas time, so I thought of giving this place also a new look and a little festive look. Here you can see I have changed the cover, and now I have placed our marriage photograph there. And this is the red big candle that I'm gonna place there. And also I have put this beautiful small tiny candle ring. So definitely this candle and candle ring are giving a very Christmas look to this place. 2 more red colored candle holder. These candle holders I got from Kolkata. And here is my regular plant and also my regular candle. So this is the whole look of this place. Here you can see I have put 2 more candles here, and also I have wrapped this big candle with this glittery wire. So this is absolutely very festive looking, and that's the whole look. Here comes my decoration idea 5, which will be decorating the whole Christmas tree. Here you can see I'm carefully opening all the parts of the Christmas tree, also the bottom part and the upper part. I hope you are going to enjoy my Christmas tree decoration. first of all, I'm gonna wrap my Christmas tree with this beautiful golden glittery wire. Very carefully I have to do it. And now it's time to decorate this Christmas tree with all those beautiful decorative pieces that I already have shared with you all. We just have to be really very careful and cautious, because since the bottom part is not very strong of this tree, it can fall down, so be very careful. Now to cover this floor, I have picked this beautiful red colored placemat and also this tray and this towel. And now I'm gonna place rest of the things one by one in this place. So first of all, Santa Claus on this beautiful red mat, Christmas bell, and also this card on the tray. After placing everything on this mat, here you can see I'm putting these small beautiful looking paper flowers here. Definitely these flowers are giving a very warm look. On the entrance of my apartment, I have these two big lantern shaped candle holder. So since it's Christmas time, so I thought of let's relocate these two here in my living room, just besides of this Christmas tree. And now to finish up the decoration of this area, I'm gonna place this golden wire here. So that's it. And now here I am in my dining table to change the table mats. Again, since it's Christmas time and the theme is red, so my all placemats are red in color. Here you can see in the middle I have placed this Santa Claus themed napkin holder, and also I have put few napkins there and here also. And now I'm gonna place this candle holder and two fresh new candles. So that is the very basic look of my dining table. And finally, it's time to decorate my Christmas tree with these beautiful, gorgeous looking and very festive fairy lights. Today from the morning, I have started my Christmas decoration. And now it's the evening time, and I think this is the best time to decorate my Christmas tree with these beautiful gorgeous looking fairy lights. And also I'm gonna place one more fairy light on my window. Here is the look of all those places of my living room that I have decorated today for the Christmas, and also I have shared my Christmas decoration ideas with you all. Very soon I'll start lighting up all the candles just 2 or 3 days before the Christmas time, and definitely I'm gonna share that video with you all too, that how my room looks like with all the candles. Here you can see that fairy light on my window and also that one in my Christmas tree. And really I'm liking my new placemats in my dining table area. So this is the pretty much my small, little and very easy Christmas decoration ideas. So that's all from today's vlog, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed it. If you have liked today's video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and also please share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel, those who have not yet. So I will see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. So until then, take care, stay positive, stay happy, enjoy this festive season with your family, with your friends. So tata, bye bye, love you.